Okay guys, we're going to be doing face pulls here. So you're going to want to grab a rope, looks like this. You're going to want to find a machine that you can move up and down. You're going to want to go a little above your head. Make sure you put it on a weight you can do properly and with good form. You're going to want to step back a little bit so you have some tension. Biggest thing here, start with your elbows flared out, just like that. We're going to go through our face. That's what we're going to think about. Okay? 1, 2, 3 on the way down and go. Squeeze hard. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 3 on the way down. 1, 2, 3. Biggest thing here is you don't want your elbows to go down. So most people will kind of do this thing here, which is fine. You're going to get more of your lats, but we're not trying to hit lats. We're trying to hit the rear delt here. So keep your elbows flared out and go through your face. 1, 2, 3. Those are face pulls.